What is going on, peeps, boys and girls? What is going on? And today we have a pretty dope little vlog, pretty dope little installed. I was able to pick up a pair of carbon fiber mirrors from AR or APR, I believe. Don't kill me now in the comments. I just woke up and I'm extremely tired. It's been crazy. Like last night, we had a meet, an incredible meet with some crazy cars that I vlogged it, and it's coming to you guys. I don't know whether that's gonna release first or this is gonna release first, but anyways, just know that there's a fire vlog between this one, or either in front of this one or behind this one. And yeah, so I'm super tired. I got home from work and I just knocked out. I was able to pick these up, these AR APR mirrors, for a really extremely good price. Extremely good price. I looked it up and offer up. Gentleman hit me up and he gave me a price, and I was like, I'm on my way, say less. So I picked these up. I'm going to show you guys the installation of them. It's kind of late here in Florida. It's about 5:30 and it kind of gets dark real quick, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's jump into a quick time lapse, or not a time lapse, or just a quick step-by-step of how to install them. For anybody that has a set, I'll show you guys how to do it. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. We're gonna bring down the window first. I have a manual window which I gotta clean, which is extremely dirty. We're gonna take this off, pop this off, and we're going to take out the door, the screws that are on the inside. There's about 2 screws on the inside. So let me go ahead and remove that, and I'll show you guys the screws, and I'll show you when we take them off. Alright, so the screws are already out, as you can see there. Man, this door panel needs to go. And I'm just gonna pull this off, and you just kind of pull a little bit, and since these are manual, this comes off easy, and these are the screws right there. And that's about it for that. And then you stick it back in. I'm gonna see if I could use the same hardware. I believe you can on these screws. I'm not sure, as you can see in there. So let me get a little 8 and try to pry that. I'll come back to you guys. If not, I might have to go to the auto parts and try to get some screws, because it definitely didn't come with screws when I bought it from the gentleman. And these are your OEM mirrors right here. Okay guys, so I was able to get one out. Hopefully I can get a zoom, not a zoom, a focus on this. I was able to get one out. So basically you're gonna take this one out and you're gonna put it right here where this hole is, and I'm gonna match all 3 and install this, and then I'll come back to putting on this mirror. Just basically just go like that. Okay, so I guess they didn't work. I'm actually on the way to the auto parts. I need to get this. These are right here. It's probably just trying to still focus on me, but anyways, it has a different tip up top than a different one down here. It's kind of like a split type screw, and I just need to get this one all the way at a certain size so I could put all 3 of them together, and then I could be able to install them. So let me go ahead and go to the auto parts, let me match them, and I'll come back to you guys. I just hate when like installations don't go that well, but I don't really care. I don't mind it, but it's just kind of a bummer. All right, let me go ahead and go to the auto parts, and I'll come back to you guys. All right guys, so it's like 2 days later, because it gets really dark here in Florida real quick. And by the time I went to go pick up the screws, I ended up going to Ace Hardware. By the time I went to go pick up the screws, it was already nighttime, and then I was going out, and then the next day I got cut up. So it was actually Sunday. I started working on it on Friday afternoon. It's actually Sunday, but I was able to put one on. I put one on. I came in at night and I put it on. I just wanted to see how it fit. And I'm gonna show you guys the screws that I use, just in case if you don't have the hardware. I'm not sure if they do come with the hardware. These are not brand new, so I'm not sure if they do come with the hardware. I could be wrong. Correct me if you're right, or correct me if I'm wrong. And if you have a pair, write in the comments if they do come with the hardware. So basically, let me show you the screws that I use. These are basically it. If you don't have the screws, these are M5 by 0.8 or 0.80, and these are it right here. Let me open the door, see if we get a better lighting. And yeah, and I just use a little washer, and that's about it. And this is how it looks on. I'll still get a better shot for you guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that one. I gotta take this door panel off. This door panel at least is a little bit better. This one is just completely destroyed. So let's jump to a time lapse removing the door panel and installing it. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys liked the video. I dropped the photo shoot that we did with some of those crazy ass cars, those ITRs and NSX. I dropped that one yesterday. Make sure to go hit the thumbs up. I appreciate every single one of you. 1,400 subs already. We're at like 1,407. Appreciate all you guys. Much love. Thank you, God, and God bless you. And yeah, let's go ahead. Let's start the tear down of the door panel and the new
And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Alright, so what you want to do is you want to pop this here. Later on they sell like a cover of this that doesn't have the hole here. I gotta go pick that up. Well, I should pick it up. And I just removed the door panels you guys saw in the time lapse. Very, very clean on the inside. I do need to get another regulator for the other one. The driver door is just all messed up. I guess it's the one that gets most used. And you got to remove these two screws right here. These three screws. Not this one, but these three right here. And everything will come out. So let me go ahead and remove them, and I'll come back to you guys now. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to put on the mirror, and you're going to line up the holes, the 3 holes, and then you're going to use the screw. Well, in my case, I'm using the ones that I bought with the washer. You're just going to line them up there and put them on there. Let me go ahead and put the rest, and I'll come back to you guys. Put the door panel on with the complete installation of it, or having both complete, and I'll tell you guys how to adjust them because they are adjustable, the top and bottom. So let me go ahead and finish it, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so in order for you to adjust these have an adjuster and screw up here, and basically you use an Allen key. This one is a little bad, so I might change that one. You use an Allen key to move it around, and then that's how you adjust them. And for here, you kind of just either move them like this, and you just kind of do them by hand. They're like manually, and that's about it. I might need to go get another one at Ace Hardware of this one up here, because it's pretty much not in good condition. So these are how they look. This is how they look on them. I'm gonna throw away the old mirrors because they're just pretty messed up. And this is how this one looks. Give you a fall back a little bit. This is how they look. This is how the outside looks. Got your plate right there. They look very nice.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to